Bitcoin is pumping. Are we back in the bull market, or is this just the continuation of a bull trap? We're going to hop straight into it. As you can see, Bitcoin is pumping. And you know what we had today? FOMC. Take a look at this. To our first story of the day. From Watcher Guru, Federal Reserve raises interest rates by 25 basis points or 0.25%. Now, this is what was predicted. This is what everyone was betting on. And 25 basis points, it was priced in because this is what it was betting on. The market already priced it in. But what's interesting is the comments that Powell made afterwards. Take a look at this. Obviously, in the FOMC, Powell comes out to speak. In fact, Fed Chair Jerome Powell says the Congress must raise the debt ceiling. He also came out and said this. Take a look at this. Fed Chair Jerome Powell said Congress must raise the debt ceiling. And he also said this. The job market is still very strong. Now, the whole sentiment from Powell's speech was bullish. But what people are also not talking about is this right here. Take a look at the dollar. The dollar has been absolutely dumping. And take a look what it did today. It has been absolutely dumping. And when the dollar dumps, that is bullish for stocks and crypto. So that is one of the main, probably the main driver for why the stock market's been pumping. Take a look at here. The stock market had a nice day. And Bitcoin's been pumping too. And I think the stock market tomorrow is probably going to have a great day because Bitcoin, as we know, is open right now. The stock market's closed. And Bitcoin, when it pumps on the weekend, stuff like that, it can lead the stock market and tell us where the stock market's going to go. Sometimes. But now we got to sit here and think, is this a bull trap or just the beginning of the bull market? Because people are coming in this thinking, the people who are sidelined, are they going to be coming back in? Is that what's happening now? Is it? I really don't have the answer. I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys, oh, it's a bull trap or, oh, we're in a bull market now. But at the same time, I do think we bottomed. I don't think we're going back to 15K. That's just my personal take. I do think around here, this 15K right here was the bottom. That's my personal take, not financial advice. And then take a look at this to our next story. Facebook Metaverse division lost $13.7 billion in 2022. Now, we did know Meta's earnings came out today, and Meta had a great day. Well, not a great day, but they had a pretty good day. Take a look at this. Let's get a little zoom in. Meta has been doing very, very well. Very, very well. And this was one of the stocks, like pretty much all the tech stocks, got completely clobbered on that first initial big downpour when everything, all the leverage is getting completely squashed out. But here's another thing people are talking about. We know that Genesis, one of the largest lenders in crypto, is still having a lot of problem. So here's a good thing. The more Bitcoin goes up, the less of a chance that Genesis is going to be the whole another contingent is going to blow up and just shit's going to go down. But at the same time here, we're not completely out of the woods. So we still got to remember, we could have another trip down. Obviously, even when you're in a bull trend, it's like this. So you're going to have dips. So there's obviously a chance. It's very likely we return back to maybe like 21, 22K. I don't know. I'm not going to sit here and tell you where we're going to go. We're in a very weird market right now. I think this year is going to be very, very weird. Things are looking really interesting. And take a look at this. North Korean hackers stole a record $1.7 billion worth of crypto in 2022. This is actually one of the main revenue streams. North Korea, they just got a bunch of hackers and they're stealing crypto, which I find to be absolutely hilarious. And I want to know, guys, what are you all doing? Do you guys think bull market, bull trap? What are you all thinking? All coins are doing well. All coins are pumping. It's looking really, really strong, though. But at the same time, we can't let the bulls fool us. Obviously, Bitcoin's been looking very strong. And once again, I said this before, when we were down here at 15, 16K, you got to understand, pretty much everything that could have gone wrong went wrong. Nobody thought FTX was going to blow up. So a lot of the leverage, most of the leverage has been wiped out. Not all of it. That's the thing, not all of it. We're not completely out of the woods. Just remember that. But at the same time, some of these companies might be able to skate by. We'll see what happens. And yeah, guys, that's all we got for today's video. Make sure to go follow me on Twitter. Make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment. And yeah, thank you for watching.